Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa just came back from a long trip to Japan. First thing I want to cook after I come back is a fish, a cooked one. I've been eating some sashimi in Japan, but I prefer something cooked also. Yeah, I mean, I like something cooked also. So I have a beautiful tong sing pan with me today. This is, of course, you can use any fish that you have. This is like the fish head. The whole fish is probably about I don't know, 1.3, 1.4 kg. I requested the seller to cut it into half so that I can cook for 2 rounds. So what I did was, after the seller cleaned the fish, and then I will make few slits, and then we will marinate it with a little bit of fine salt. And we will place a few pieces of ginger on top before sending to the steamer. Then today I'm going to make Teochew steam. I have pickled veggie, few pieces of ginger, some fresh garlic, some chili and spring onion. And to make it more sourish, give it more sourish flavor, I have salted plum with some salted plum sauce and some pork lard. After you preheated your steamer, you can now put in the fish in the middle and steam it for approximately 10-11 minutes. Alright, so first of all, I'm going to put in the pork lard. Of course, if you don't have pork lard, you can use vegetable oil. But in restaurant, normally they will put in some pork lard or some fatty meat. Yeah. Once you have heated up the oil, you can put in the pickled veggie, the ginger, the garlic, I don't mind giving it a little bit more oil. So let's saute this for about a minute before we continue. Very fragrant. Whenever you're using anything which is pickled or preserved or fermented, always good to saute it with some oil. That will help to remove the earthiness from that particular ingredient, if any. Yeah. Right. Ooh, I can smell it. I can smell the pickled veggie. So nice. Then I'm going to add in some filtered water, sour plum or salted plum. Tune down the fire a bit. Give it some premium fish sauce, a bit of fine salt, a bit of fine sugar. Bring out the heat. Oh, this is savory and sourish. Then I'm going to add in the chili and part of the spring onion. And I'm going to off the fire. And our Teochew steamed fish sauce is ready. So just wait for the fish. See how simple it is. This is after about 11 minutes. Wow, wow, look at the fish. It is actually saying hi to me and saying hi to all of you. Check out the beautiful reddish color. So there are some fishy water inside the plate. I'm going to remove the fishy water. Yeah, that is the source of fishiness. Right, I have removed the fishy water. I have removed the ginger. Now I'm going to blanch the fish with the sauce we made earlier. Not done yet, we still have some spring onion garnishing on top. I'm going to add a little bit more things here. Fried garlic. Does it look appetizing to you? Look at the beautiful fatty flesh. Here's my very simple Teochew steamed zing pan. Today, if you like my video, or you can use any grouper or any fish that you like. If you like my video, do share my video on the Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.